Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In my previous video, I shared with you some challenges facing the studying of Yoruba myths and religion. In this video, I will be looking at how our Yoruba myths and religion are being secured from being fading away completely as they are oral literature. One key surviving element of the Yoruba religion is the periodic festivals being carried out by the leaders of this religion. Its traces will have been a forgotten thing if not for the periodic festivals. What I'm trying to say is that Yoruba religious festivals keep a tangible part of its myths alive. Our Yoruba religious leaders have been very helpful in maintaining the credibility and the standard of worship in their different communities in Yoruba land. These leaders are the custodians of these religious materials for the communities. They have been transmitting information to their successors, which of course keeping these myths alive. The leaders have a better understanding of the religious activities and beliefs because they are most born and bred in the activities. Therefore, they know a lot about the belief system. As you all know that myths are sacred and the priests of the Yoruba religion have knowledge of most of them. They usually have more accurate information on the oral materials than ordinary members of a community in Yoruba land. In the Yoruba community, the local priests are called Babalawo, known as Ifa priest. They are well versed in poetry, known as Ofo, meaning incantations, which are full of Yoruba myths, and they contain a lot of information regarding the story behind each event in Yoruba land. A Babalawo is one of the most skillful narrators of Yoruba myths and history. Also, thanks to managers of museums in Yoruba land. This is another means by which Yoruba myths are being secured and surviving against fading away. People now go to museums to see or use the wide collections of information on the materials for reference purposes in tracing back our ancestral faiths. Thus, the Yoruba religion items in a museum speak volumes on the history of the Yoruba religion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.